Irish Potato Farming Secrets Step-by-Step Guide. Step number 1. Quality seed selection and preparation, the foundation of success. These are sustainable techniques that increase yields by 55% while cutting costs by 40%. Understanding why seed quality determines everything. The single most important decision in potato farming, the factor that determines when you will harvest abundant high-quality potatoes or struggle with poor stands, diseases, and disappointing yields, is your choice and management of seed potatoes. Yet, this is precisely where most farmers make critical mistakes that doom their crops from the very beginning by using saved seeds from previous harvests without proper selection, purchasing cheap and certified seeds from unknown sources, cutting seed improperly, causing disease transmission, or planting diseased or physiologically aged seed with poor vigor. Understanding why seed quality matters so profoundly transforms how you approach every potato season. Potatoes reproduce vegetatively rather than from true seed. The tiny seeds in potato fruits, meaning every seed potato you plant carries the exact genetic makeup and all diseases, viruses, and physiological conditions of the parent plant. If you plant diseased seeds, you are deliberately introducing diseases into your field. If you plant virus-infected seed, every plant will be infected, reducing yields by between 20 to 70%. If you plant physiologically old seed with poor vigor, your plants will grow slowly and yield poorly regardless of how well you manage them. The economics of seed quality are stark and indisputable. Certified disease-free seed potatoes cost between 50 to 100% more than saved or uncertified seed, perhaps between $800 to $1,200 per ton versus between $400 to $600 for saved seed, creating strong temptation to save money on seed. But research and farmers' experience consistently demonstrate that certified seed produces between 30 to 60% higher yields than saved seed, even when all other management is identical, has between 20 to 40% better stand establishment, more plants surviving and growing vigorously, shows between 50 to 80% less disease problems, especially viral diseases that accumulate in saved seed over generations, and produces higher quality tubers, commanding between 10 to 30% price premiums. Calculate honestly, certified seed costing between $400 more per hectare but producing 5 additional tons, valued as between $1,500 to $2,000, represents between $1,100 to $1,600 additional profit. The seed investment pays for itself 3 to 4 times over through improved production. The farmers struggling with poor yields invariably used saved or poor quality seed. The farmers prospering with excellent yields invariably invest in certified seeds or maintain careful seed selection and manage programs. Implementing proper seed selection and preparation. For farmers purchasing seed, select certified seed from reputable sources, providing disease-free guarantees and varietal purity. Prioritize certified seed from government-approved certified programs offering strongest disease-free assurances. Purchase from established seed potato dealers with good reputations. Avoid unknown roadside sellers offering suspicious cheap seed. Inspect seed carefully upon delivery, checking for physical damage, not rot, excessive sprouts, or visible disease symptoms before accepting delivery. And verify you are receiving the variety you ordered and paid for. Labeling errors happen and some unethical dealers substitute inferior varieties. For farmers who must save seed from their own production due to cost constraints or lack of certified seed availability, implement rigorous selection. Use only first-generation saved seed from certified stock disease. Remember, diseases accumulate with each successive generation, so never save seed more than one generation. Conduct positive selection during growing season, marking plants showing exceptional health, vigor, and productivity for seed harvest, while removing any plants showing disease symptoms or virus infection. Stunting, leaf molting, distortion, all these are signs of infections or poor performance. And store seed potatoes separately from table potatoes in optimal conditions, preventing physiological aging and disease development. Proper seed cutting multiplies your seed supplies and can reduce cost, but must be done correctly to prevent disease transmission and optimize sprouting. The principles: each seed piece must contain at least one good eye. These are the growth points, and weigh between 40 to 60 grams, approximately between 1.5 to 2 ounces, providing adequate energy reserves for initial growth. Smaller pieces produce weak plants with poor yields, while larger pieces waste seed without benefit. Cut seed potatoes lengthwise from stem to bud end, making clean cuts with sharp sterilized knives, creating blocky chunks rather than thin slices. Blocky pieces have better sprouting, ensuring each piece has at least one good eye. The critical disease prevention step: disinfect cutting knives between each tuber by dipping in 10% bleach solution, 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, or 70% alcohol, preventing transmission of diseases from infected tubers to healthy ones. This single practice can prevent devastating disease outbreaks. After cutting, allow seed pieces to cure for between 2 to 3 days in warm, that is between 15 to 18 degrees Celsius temperature. Humid conditions with good air circulation, creating corky protective layer over cut surfaces that prevents rot organisms from entering. Some progressive farmers treat cut seed with fungicide, dust, or biological treatment, further reducing disease risk. The physiological age of seed potatoes: how long since harvest and under what storage conditions, profoundly affects field performance. Recently harvested seed within 1 to 2 months remain physiologically young, requiring longer to break dormancy and sprout. After producing slow emergency and uneven stands, seed stored between 3 to 5 months at cool temperatures, that is between 4 to 8 degrees C, develops optimal physiological age, producing rapid, uniform emergence and vigorous growth. Seeds stored more than 6 months or at warm temperatures become physiologically old, developing excessive sprout and poor field performance. Pre-sprouting, that is cheating seed before planting. Storing seed in warm, that is the temperatures between 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, in well-lit conditions for 2 to 3 weeks before planting, allowing short, thick sprouts to develop, can dramatically improve emergence speed and uniformly, especially with physiologically old seed. Improve stand establishment by between 15 to 30% and increase yields by between 10 to 20% through faster canopy development and longer growing season. Place seed in shallow trays, in single trays where light reaches all tubers, maintaining temperatures and inspecting regularly, removing any diseased tubers immediately to prevent spread, and planting when sprouts are between 1 to 2 centimeters long. Thick and green, not long and white, which indicates insufficient light. Irish potato farming secrets, step-by-step guide, step number 2. Click on the link in the description below to watch this inspiring step. Thank you.